Here's all the tools that you need to change a sprinkler head. When you're older, this is really nice. This is a kneeling pad for gardening or any kind of lawn work you use. You need a nice little wrench, sprinkler heads, a pair of gloves so you don't get your hands all dirty in the mud, and a nice little shovel. That's all you need. And I'll show you a few pictures of it as I go. Here's the culprit right here. It's a head that, I don't know, I don't think it was hit by the lawnmower. I think it's just over time, it just broke. And you can see that is broken right there. And so we're gonna dig around it, go down and see what we can do to replace it.